Thailand. At the bus terminal. Hi, Krylon. 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 Few more minutes we go on the bus, okay? Okay, love you, Krylon.